This is a 2001 4-liter 6-cylinder Ford. It's an Explorer. Now I know these small little graphene cap modules will start a 4-cylinder car, but will they start a 4-liter engine? That's going to be the real test right there. So I've just taken the battery off. I've got the battery is actually, you can see here, it's a 65 group, 750 cold cranking amps. So it's a pretty beefy battery to go in here. And this thing's only 6 inches square by 1.5 inches tall, but it's graphene supercaps. So let's see if it'll do it. Okay, so I've got the new wire on here, which is 6 gauge. So that's an upgrade to the new modules. And this one is right now at 14.5 volts. And so let's see if it'll do the trick. Okay, give it a start. And there it is. Again, 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. This tiny little module will start it. And it won't just start it once. It'll start it over and over. It's 14.3 right now while it's running. And the alternator keeps it up to whatever the capacity is of the alternator, 13.5 to 14 volts, I'm sure, 14.2, something like that. Turn it off, let's try it again. Okay, no, wait a minute. 14.4, okay, go ahead, start it up. And there it is. Same thing. I'm telling you, that little teeny thing will start this 4-liter engine over and over and over. I think you're beginning to see the advantage. Our new 16-volt supercap module has 24 pieces inside of it. What you're seeing under the lid is 2 series-connected groups of 6 graphene caps each. Another 12 more are underneath these. By pressing the momentary switch on the left, you can see what the state of the charge is at any time. We offer these modules at our website as single units, or you can purchase a stack of 2 or as many as you want. As a point of relativity, these 2 totally different products are close in size and have the same capacity of energy storage. Both are 72 watt hours. The greatest difference is that lithium-ion has very short life cycle and may require 30 minutes or more to charge, while a graphene module will charge in 5 to 10 minutes. That would be a major advantage for solar and EV applications. On the product page of our website, I've listed various different beneficial applications for the graphene supercap module, one of which is a portable AC/DC emergency or remote location power unit. We've had multiple requests for a product of this nature, so here it is. We start with this small, nearly indestructible waterproof case, pop open the latches, and inside the securely padded case is a graphene supercap module connected to a 400 watt AC inverter with 4 USB ports for charging any mobile devices or laptop computer, and also includes 2 sets of cables. Remove the cables, which we'll cover in just a moment. Lift up the bottom pad, and underneath is another compartment to securely store your mobile device and charging cable. The included battery clip cables are intended for a very specific purpose. Simply attach them with the red and black screw-on terminals at the back of the AC inverter and start almost any vehicle that has a dead battery without even turning on the inverter. Once the vehicle starts, the alternator will instantly recharge the graphene cap module. This is a feature that everyone can appreciate. If you have a truck or an SUV with a power port in the back, plug in the module charging cable attached to the inverter, and in a few minutes you're charged up and ready to go. In a car, just plug into the power port, usually near the dash, set the case on the seat or on the floor for a few minutes, and you're also charged up and ready to go. For complete product information, specifications, and pricing, come see us at quantummagneticstore.com. See you there.